All right, so there we go. 4 days on the market, closing in the morning. Beautiful house. So one thing I always talk about with my sellers in these videos that I put out here to you, it's very important to price your home correctly the first time. And for instance, this house right here, it was on the market before. It's a beautiful home, complete remodel, lake view, right down the street from the lake. But the previous listing, we all knew it was too high. So when I talked to this client, the seller originally, you know, they didn't have hardly any showings on it. So there was no activity. And it wasn't because the house wasn't just completely awesome. It's because the price was too high. So we came in here, we talked about the price, got the price adjusted to the market, and actually brought it down just a little bit below what the market said. And there we went. First day, multiple showings. Second day, third day, fourth day. By the fourth day, we had multiple offers, accepted a contract, and here we are closing on it. Anyway, there's a tip for you. Price your house correctly. I've said it before. This last video I did, I was talking about, you know, you can have everything done correctly on your home, but if you don't have it priced right, it's not going to move. Anyway, the advice stands true. Right here's my testimony. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. See you next time.